you guys. My wife thought this would be a great planter. So now it's 11 o'clock at night and I get to go outside and cut this because she wants it done right now.
It didn't have to be done right now. But I do have to plant my flowers, so stop.
God, women. Luckily I've got this, oh Jesus, tricked out tool trailer. Get my round cutter out. Cobalt, baby. So here it is. She wants to be a planter. Pretty nift, I guess. Start by cutting off the handle, cut the circle. We're gonna cut this out and leave this so I can fold it down and plastic weld it. 11 o'clock at night. You know what? This might be easier with some tins. Hold on. Get you the circle cutter tin snips for your HVAC stuff. Oh yeah. Okay, so we want to take all the black so she don't have to paint it. Sir, what brings you to the ER? See, I was building a planter for my wife. Sir, we're gonna need you to be honest with us. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm being honest. No, seriously. Seriously. Being honest, bro. Oh my gosh, let's try it again. Fold that puppy down. Plastic weld, plastic weld. Heat that thing up till it's floppy. Like we're melting PVC down. Kind of bend it into the place you want. And this stuff is that good stuff. Stuff that gives you cancer when you heat it up. Heat gun probably would have worked better because the propane leaves a black soot a lot of the time. Okay, get into there. That sounds done to me, guys. Alright. So, she gets it like that. It's kind of smoothed off. And once she plants flowers in there, she might just hit that with just a little bit of yellow paint. Boom. Make the black disappear. Done. $5 do-it-yourself cute planter box, Walmart. Get them. They're going like hotcakes. Oh crap, I forgot to drill holes in the bottom. It's alright, give it a drill, right here. Drill. Pocket a little bit. Screw. Battery. These are important when you let, you know, 3-year-olds water your plants. $5 cute Walmart planter. Get them while the going's good.